Hi everyone, and welcome back. It's James. Today I have a package from Aliexpress. I ordered a refurbished iPhone 6 Plus, so let's open it, baby. Woo! It looks good. I can see iPhone. Ooh. I'm excited. No damage to the box. And this is an unlocked SIM-free iPhone. Ta-da! I ordered gold. Wow, it looks great. Warranty card. Okay, the adapter. Earphones. Yep. And charging cord. Here's the pin. Okay, now to test the product. Warranty card. Okay. I don't see any scratches. It looks brand new. Wow. I'm gonna turn on the power. No SIM card installed. Okay, that's fine. So I believe this is the international version. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.